In this video, I'll show you how to download Blender or PC on laptop. It's going to be a full guide video. Make sure what I'm going to show you in this video. This video is only for educational purposes only. So go to your Chrome. So you need to go to Blender. This is just commonly on your Chrome. Type in Blender. So I think this is the official site for Blender. HPTS www.blender.org. So click on it. So once you click on it, just wait for it to open up. So I'm going to just wait for it for very few seconds. So what you need to do now, just click on this download Blender 5.0. So once you click on it, you're going to be able to see this, the freedom to create. So what you need to do exactly, Blender can run on Mac, on Linux and other versions. So just click on download Blender and this is what is going to take you as of December 16, 2025. Just click on this download Blender. You're going to be able to download it to your PC. So once you have downloaded it, you're going to be able to run it. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe.